Hello, hope you are doing well. We have a very nice rational problem today. Let's look at the question 47 cube plus 23 cube over 47 cube plus 24 cube. Take a look what is the common in that. As we can see, all have the same power 3. And what is the link between these numbers 23, 24 and 47? If we add 23 and 24, then it will become 47. So we are going to suppose few values like x is equal to 23, y is equal to 24, and x plus y is equal to 47. Now let's substitute these values. We know that 47 is x plus y, so x plus y cube plus 23 is x, so x cube over x plus y cube, and 24 is y, so y cube. Now this is in the form of x square plus y square. So we are going to use that formula x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. We are going to use that formula here in the next step. Suppose this is x and this is y. So x plus y mean x is x plus y and y is x times x square mean x plus y whole square minus x is x plus y and y is x again plus x square divided by, in denominator suppose this is x and this is y, so x is x plus y and y is y times x plus y whole square minus x is x plus y and y is y now plus y square. This will be written as it is x plus y plus x, and x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, and now multiply this x and minus sign also, minus x square plus minus minus xy plus x square over, in denominator, x plus y times, this is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, and let's multiply this y and minus sign with this xy plus minus minus y square plus y square. Few terms will be cross out like plus x square and minus x square, and in denominator y square and y square. We are left with x plus y plus x times x square plus y square, and these are the like terms, so we will minus them, plus xy over x plus y times x square plus y square, like terms again we will subtract them, plus xy. Now this and this will be cancelled out. We are left with x plus y plus x over x plus y plus y. Let's add these x and x, 2x plus y over x as it is plus y, 2y. Now we will substitute these values which we suppose in the start. 2 times 23 plus 24 over 23 plus 2 times 24. 23 2 times is 46 plus 24 over 23 plus 48. 46 plus 24 is 70, and 23 plus 48 is 71. 70 over 71 is the required answer. I hope all the steps are clear. Practice more and more to be perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe.